that the assassination bid on President Trump has been foiled in United States. Can the same happen here in India? Well, that seems to be the contention and a controversy that has now started with the statement coming in from the Maharashtra Congress leader Vijay Wadettiwar. He has now sparked this outrage by calling the White House Correspondents' Dinner shooting to be a public response against the US President Donald Trump, noting that a similar feeling against the central government here in India also remains. Addressing a press briefing in Nagpur, the Congress leader accused President Trump of destroying the US, dragging it the West Asia conflict as well. And he says that the people of India are also turning against their own government. However, they are not coming out on the streets to protest. He says कि जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी.
जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी, जैसा करेगा वैसा भरेगा. उसने जो सत्ता में होते हुए, सर्वोच्च पद पर होते हुए, उसने पूरे दुनिया को, वर्ल्ड को जिस तरह से उसने काबू करने के लिए, कब्जा करने के लिए हर कंट्री को डिस्टर्ब करने का काम किया, हर कंट्री पे अपना कंट्रोल करने का काम किया, और सब पूरा दुनिया हमारी गुलाम है, इस तरह की उसकी जो भाषा है. और देश को भी उसने बर्बाद किया. ईरान से कोई संबंध नहीं था, फिर भी उसने इजराइल को पकड़कर जो वार किया, उसमें वो तो होना ही था. आज ट्रंप ने पूरे अमेरिका को बर्बाद कर चुका है अपने मंसूबे पूरे करने के लिए.
Arunil, good morning. If this is not fear mongering, then what is?
Well, certainly, yes. Appalling statement coming in from the senior Congress leader, Vijay Wadettiwar. And what is baffling to know is that this is not the first time a Congress leader is doing it. Is the Congress party trying to incite violence in the country? Basically, here, Vijay Wadettiwar going to the extent of saying, comparing the attack on Donald Trump, saying that people are angry with him, the other nations are angry with him, and that is why Donald Trump has been attacked. And then basically saying that in India as well, people may be silent, but they are angry on PM Modi, and such kind of a thing may happen with PM Modi as well. Earlier also we had seen, but just before the Bihar elections as well, Rahul Gandhi had tried to basically cater to the Gen Z, the kind of violence that had happened in Nepal. He said that a similar kind of violence by Gen Z can happen in India as well. So is it an attempt to create unrest in India? Here, this is a direct attempt to basically incite violence against Prime Minister Narendra Modi by Vijay Wadettiwar. We tried to contact him, but it seems like now he has gone incommunicado.
All right. Well, not taking any responses on that, will the Congress party come and specify or clarify his stand, or will maintain distance? Because we have a counter already coming in from the BJP side as Anurin continues to be with us. We talk about this counter, which the BJP says, as the party attacks the Congress for their nafrat for the Prime Minister. This seems to be a template, as the BJP says that the certain parties in the opposition, an ecosystem that continues to berate the Prime Minister.
Congress's senior leader Vijay Wadettiwar, who has made many controversial comments about Operation Sindoor, about why a 15 lakh rupee missile was used to save Golden Temple, who has given clean chit to Pakistani terrorists in 26/11, now goes beyond and makes the most obnoxious comment. He says that the shooting attempt at Donald Trump, President Trump, was justified in America, and that there is a similar feeling in India. But Indian government does not know because there are no protests here, but the feeling is the same, and he justified it.
Now, with the other reactions coming in, let's in the meantime put out what the CPI has to say, because CPI also being part of the same opposition in the India bloc, however, seems to be disassociating itself from the Congress Neta's remark. Let's listen in.
I have no comment on this particular statement issued by some leader in Maharashtra. If anything is said by Mr. Kharge, the President, Indian National Congress, or Mr. Rahul Gandhi, the leader of the opposition in Parliament, I can comment. Let Congress party react. It is their official position.
Well, this is the same, Arun. Arunil, the CPI says let the Congress party react, waiting for a clarification coming in from their own party if they actually maintain distance or they give a clarification on Mr. Wadettiwar's statement.
Well, when have we seen the Congress party react to such kind of statements? Because Vijay Wadettiwar, if you take his example as well, when the Pahalgam attack had taken place, that time also he made a very insensitive and an irresponsible statement saying that the terrorists were not looking at religion while firing at the innocent people who had gone to Pahalgam, basically who unfortunately lost their life. Then also the Congress party did not give any kind of clarification, no justification, basically complete mum about the entire issue. Here as well, in fact, Vijay Wadettiwar himself or nobody from the Congress party is coming ahead and speaking about it. Firstly, this was an issue about Donald Trump. It is an international issue as well. And Vijay Wadettiwar, who's a Maharashtra level leader, takes a press conference and speaks in such kind of a tone that Donald Trump was
why
only
even
attacked
draw a
because people
parallel
are
in the
angry
first
with him.
place? I mean, how is the situation even similar to such an extent which the Congress leader seems to project that what happened in Nepal may happen here in India, what happened in the US with President Trump may happen here in India. Waiting for a Congress reaction on this. Thank you very much, Arunil, for joining us here on the broadcast. In the meantime, speaking of controversies, let's talk about Arvind Kejriwal, because